My name is Kerry Barlow. I'm with KJ's Painting. I spray 2 to 3 to 4 times a day. For all my fine finishing, I use the GX19 or 395s. The new Graco Airless Finishing Kit works great for doing fine finishing. I could put it on the 395, get plenty of pressure. It was easy to fill and start spraying immediately. The hopper on the 395 makes it way more portable. Easier to go inside the job sites and out. The hose fits on there nicer. I would say I get better filtration with the hopper. I value buying American-made equipment because it does help our economy and help keep Americans employed. The new Airless Finishing Kit came with everything I needed. The new 1/8" whip hose on that new 395 is way nicer. Using that thinner hose is way more flexible to get around the houses, more gun action. Fine finish tips do a way nicer job of a fine finish, cleaning out the hopper system. I physically wash it out with a rag, then put pump armor in with water and send that through. I still feel like it's quicker than I do the standard 395. Finish quality in my business, KJ's Painting, is everything. And this new hopper system is excellent.